Hello student, I am starting new topic, unit number 3, paper number 6, unit number 3, corrosion and electroplating. This topic contains two parts. Part first is the corrosion and part second is the electroplating. Then in part A or part first corrosion, I am explaining here following points. First is the introduction, what is meant by corrosion. Then next point in this corrosion, types of corrosion. Then there are two types of corrosion. One is the atmospheric corrosion and second one is the immersed corrosion. Then third point in corrosion, electrochemical theory of corrosion. Fourth point is the factors affecting corrosion. Fifth point, methods of protection of metals from corrosion. Then there are three methods for protection of metal from corrosion. First method is method based on treatment of metals. Then second method based on treatment of medium. And third for method of protection of metal is the method based on external influence, that is controlling external condition. Means these three are the methods of protection of metals from corrosion. Then all of you are familiar with the corrosion, that is the corrosion of iron, corrosion of copper due to atmosphere. Generally most of the metals occur in the nature in the form of their oxides, carbonates, sulfates, chlorides, silicate, etc. By various metallurgical processes, these compounds are reduced to their corresponding metals. The pure metals often start to decay more or less rapidly when they occur in contact with atmosphere due to the chemical or electrochemical reactions. The metals are thus found to be unstable in the environment. It is therefore possible to say that as soon as pure metals are exposed to surrounding media, their destruction starts. That is, that they get decayed. Thus, corrosion is reverse of extraction of metal. In case of extraction of metal, we get pure metal. But in case of corrosion, pure metal get decayed or destroyed. And also called as the weeping of metals. Then first we study definition of corrosion. Then corrosion is nothing but any process of chemical or electrochemical decay or destruction or deterioration of a metal due to surrounding medium is known as the corrosion. Then all the metals except noble metals, that is gold corrode when exposed to atmosphere or when immersed in reactive liquids or solutions or water. Then in atmosphere there are the number of the gases, that is the oxygen, hydrogen, H2S. These gases affect the pure metal and metal becomes corrode. Then all of you familiar with rusting. Then what is meant by rusting? The corrosion of iron and steel which we observe in our daily life or in industry is known as rusting. Then the third is the term chemical corrosion. Chemical corrosion means in this corrosion there is a direct chemical reaction between metal and reactive constituent present in the surrounding medium. Means surrounding medium contain number of the gases. These are called as the chemical corrosion. Then here next point is the types of corrosion. In case of types of corrosion, there are two types of corrosion. One is the atmospheric corrosion and another is the immersed corrosion. Then first we discussing atmospheric corrosion. When metal comes in contact with atmospheric air, a solid gas heterogeneous system is formed, and the corrosion occurring under such condition is known as the atmospheric corrosion. It is also called as chemical corrosion as it takes place due to the chemical reaction. The responsible gases are These gases are responsible for corrosion. Oxygen O2, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, SO2, H2S, CO2, etc. These gases are responsible for corrosion. Therefore, metals come in contact with atmospheric air, they get corroded. The rate of corrosion depends upon affinity between metal surface and responsible gases. Nature of film form on the metal surface and responsible gases. The resultant corrosion product forms stable, non-porous film or layer on the metal surface. Then further corrosion stops if it forms porous loose layer or is removed by any means of corrosion continues. This is the atmospheric corrosion. Means gases present in atmosphere are react with the metal formation of layer and this becomes corroded. Then second type is the immersed corrosion. Then immersed corrosion means when the metal comes in contact with liquid or solid liquid heterogeneous system is formed and the corrosion occurring under such condition is known as the immersed corrosion. Means for immersed corrosion there is a requirement of liquid, means metal in contact with liquid or solid liquid heterogeneous system is formed. This type of corrosion is called as the immersed corrosion. I am repeating here, when the metal comes in contact with liquid or solid liquid heterogeneous system is formed and the corrosion occurring under such condition is known as the immersed corrosion. It is also called as the wet, means in presence of the liquid, therefore immersed corrosion is also called as the wet corrosion or electrochemical reactions. Here this topic is related with the electrochemistry. Therefore, it is also called as the wet or electrochemical reactions. It occurs when two different metals or alloys are partially or completely immersed. Immersion means dipped. Immersed or dipped in a solution or conducting liquid is in contact with metal. Depending upon special situation, they are classified into first concentration cell corrosion, second underwater corrosion, third is the soil corrosion, fourth is the trace corrosion, fifth is the galvanic corrosion, and sixth is the pitching corrosion. Then these are depending on special situation, they are classification of immersion corrosion. The rate of immersed corrosion depends upon position of corroding metal in electrochemical series. Electrochemical series position metal, this rate of immersion corrosion is depend. Here purity of metal, humidity, formation of oxygen concentration cell, hydrogen over voltage, nature of surface film, pH of solution, temperature, etc. And some useful properties of metal such as the malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity, color, luster, etc. are lost due to the corrosion. Means metal having properties malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity, then color and luster. But when corrosion occur, these properties are removed. Then electrochemical theories of corrosion we discussing in last videos. Thank you.